Hi, today I'm talking about Point Source's UV LED module, and it comes with three 3-watt LEDs, has heat sinking in the back, runs off of 12 VDCs, and comes with a Woods glass filter, and we'll get into all these components a little bit later in the video. Here's your standard UV fluorescent lamp, and as you can tell, it's quite bulkier than our version. Our version's a lot more compact, so that's one big benefit. And also, this runs off of 60 Hz emission, which means that it's going to give off 60 frames of light per second, whereas ours runs off of direct current, so it's going to give you a steady stream of light. Okay, being an LED product, our unit is going to emit some blue light, and blue light is basically just a byproduct of the UV light, and it emits sort of a halo around whatever you're viewing, a blue halo, and to eliminate this we have to use filters. And here is our dichroic filter, and the dichroic filter is designed for a normal angle of incidence, which means it's going to eliminate all the blue light at a straight angle, but as soon as you try to get it in different angles, it is going to slip out some of that blue light. Lastly, here's our Woods glass filter, which is going to eliminate all of that blue light, so that's not going to be a problem. And it basically runs the same as your standard UV lamp, except for it's going to give off a steady stream of light, and it's in a much smaller product. Okay, so I'm going to get into the components that we discussed earlier in the video. You have your three 3-watt UV LEDs on the front here, and then heat sinking on the back. And the heat sinking, being that it's an LED, it does give off a bit of thermal energy, but the heat sinking just guarantees that heat won't be a problem in your unit. And also it runs off the 12 VDCs, so direct current, direct light, and you just plug it into your power supply to get it running. And lastly, you have your Woods glass filter, which is the most important component to eliminate all that blue light. Alright, now here I'm going to run an example of just your typical dollar store flashlight, which is going to be an LED, but it's going to give off all of that blue light. And then also your standard UV lamp, which should work the same as our product with the Woods glass filter. And we're going to show our product with the dichroic filter, which isn't going to work at angles, without a filter, which is going to work similar to the dollar store flashlight, but it's still way more accurate. And then also the Woods glass filter, which should be the most ideal version that we have sitting on this table. Okay, here's your dollar store LED flashlight, and as you can see, there is quite a blue halo around the whole writing. You can actually see the presence of that blue halo. Here's our module without a filter at all, so definitely not the best it can be, but it is quite clear and definitely not as big of a halo as the LED flashlight, but you can still see the presence of that halo. Okay, here is our version with the dichroic filter. So it's going to work direct on. As you can see, there is no blue light whatsoever, but as you use it as an angle, you can start to see that halo effect, the blue light popping up. So still very good, but not as good as it could be. Here's our Woods glass filter, and as you can tell, the picture comes out very clear. You can't see any blue light at all, and the picture is crystal clear. Here's your standard UV lamp. It, as you can see, does not give off any blue light, but it is not as clear of a picture as our LED version. Not as Thanks for watching our video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to like it, and you can also share it if you so wish. And also you can subscribe down below because we're going to be coming out with new videos for new products, and it will automatically update you when new product videos are available. So again, thank you for watching.